better me and how to flourish in life. In this video, I am going to tell some of the tips how you can better yourself and flourish in life. One might have seen the term personal growth and wondered what exactly it means. Personal growth or personal development or self-development or self-growth all are the same thing, which indicates how one can improve personally using some characters to better themselves. This includes various teachings and techniques for improving one's habits, behavior, character, actions, and reactions. All these things should be imprinted in subconscious mind, and it should reflect and act in an autopilot mode in day-to-day life. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. To get an idea, follow the examples on personal growth. Try these in your life. Learning new things, developing new skills, learning to be more polite and considerate, learning to be overcome any procrastination, learning to be overcome laziness, learning to be more controlled and anger, thinking out of the box, changing to positive mindset, becoming more responsible person, helping other people, being successful and becoming a strong, better me in life requires strong motivation. The desire to keep on improving better me and the willingness to make changes. Take home message: better me and how to flourish in life. Some of the things that we all want for ourselves, actually including number one, trying to be a better version of themselves. Number two, achieving more in life. Number three, becoming better people. And four, enhancing the quality of own life and others. So focus on all these. Definitely you can flourish in life. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscription button. We will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.